What is up, guys, and welcome to this week's video. Cutting, yes, trying to cut some weight. I am currently 150 pounds. I would like to get down to 140. So I'm going to take you through the day of what I'm eating. Just for an example, I am only 5'5", so 150 pounds. Again, would like to cut just 10 pounds. So we're going to be focusing on protein. I have some low carb days, like low carb keto days, and then I have days that are higher carb. Today is going to be like a medium carb day, but always focusing on the number one thing, protein. Protein is going to be the most important. So for an example, I am looking to go 140, so I will shoot for 140 grams of protein. Keep it that simple. Whatever goal body weight you are aiming for, try to hit that in grams for your protein, and then get in your veggies and your fruit and your whole foods around that. And I'll show you exactly. We're going to track everything in MyFitnessPal. And yeah, get on with our day. We're fasting right now. It's almost 1 o'clock. We're gonna break the fast. Just did our fasted workout down the basement, did some chest, shoulders, and some biceps. Just kept it really basic and simple. Trying to get in some cardio later on. But yeah, let's get on with meal number one. First meal of the day, looking at 10 net carb, 15 fat, and 21 grams of protein. Also, the time is 3:45. Breaking the fast at 3:45. Got really busy today, so I ended up fasting a little bit longer than I anticipated, but that's all good. We're gonna eat all of our meals towards the end of the day. A good long fast after the weekend is how I like to do it, so this all worked out very good. Also, that entire breakfast burrito, taco, whatever you want to call it, was 279 calories. That's it. That was so low in calorie. I ended up having a bowl of this homemade chili that we made this weekend. So this is 330 calories, 28 carb, 11 fat, and 31 protein. For dinner, we got some white rice going in there and some chicken breasts in the cast iron, seasoned up with some all-purpose seasoned salt, and then we're gonna do some veggies.
Hey, you! Come back here!
Dinner is served. Everything weighed out on the scale, programmed into MyFitnessPal. We got chicken breast, white rice, and cabbage mix, all cooked in olive oil, which I also tracked. So 308 calories, 30 carb, 6 fat, and 34 grams of protein. Dessert time. Dessert ended up being the biggest meal of the day. I fasted till almost 4 o'clock, like we said earlier, so I have a lot of calories left. So we have Greek yogurt. I'll show you the kind I used, well, in a second. Greek yogurt, we got 50 grams of blueberries and 1 sugar-free Jello. Look at that bowl of goodness, just to curb the sweet tooth. I also put 1 scoop of whey protein in there to bump up the protein. And this is the Greek yogurt I use, the Oikos, high protein, awesome stuff. And then we are finishing off with this. If you guys haven't made one of these, you have to make these. This is a caramel rice cake with sun butter, because I'm allergic to peanut butter. So a tablespoon of sun butter on there, and then I melted up some dark chocolate, spread that on the top, and you put it in the freezer for like 10 minutes. And oh my god, so delicious. You want to say something? What do you have for dessert?
Yummy.
You want to bite this? Try this. I'm telling you, this is so good. You're gonna gain muscles eating that. Whoa. How is it?
Amy, I've already tried it before.
Oh, yeah. Put everything into my Fitness Pal. So for that entire dessert, we have 555 calories. Yes, biggest meal of the day. 42 carb, 18 fat, and 54 grams of protein. Macros and calories for the entire day, we're at about 1,500 calories, which is still pretty low. Today will be a low calorie day. Tomorrow I'll probably have closer to 1,800 calories. For me, again, I'm only 5'5", so low calorie day, but when I fast till almost 4 o'clock, it's hard to get in a lot of calories, but my main goal of getting that 140 grams of protein in, we hit it. We actually hit it right on the dot. 140 grams of protein, only 51 grams of fat, so on my higher carb days, my fats will be a little bit lower, and then 122 grams of carbs, and net carbs just under 100 if we're gonna minus the fiber, but I don't normally pay attention to that, just mainly focusing on the protein goal. So that's the day, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Always remember to rock and roll.
What?